God guys, sobrang sarap talaga ng authentic Indian cuisine. What's up, mommy? Yummy? So, touchdown Singapore, Terminal 4. So guys, we already got our luggage and then done na rin with the immigration. So we're already out. It's just that we're looking for this Star Hub where I can pick up the SIM card that I purchased from Klook.
So guys, the flight to Singapore was so long. My legs are shouting to walk. After that SIM card, we are gonna go to our hotel. And we might eat in a restaurant, who knows.
Going to the hotel, we're gonna use Grab. So I'm using the same exact Grab app that we are using in the Philippines. So here around 15 kilometers from here to the hotel, it says $16.80. So it's roughly the same. So what we're paying there in Manila. That's the Marina Bay. That's the flyer. And that's the observation deck, the Marina Bay Sands.
Touchdown. I'm actually not tired. And here is mommy waiting. Hi. She's very quiet. She likes to be quiet in front of camera. She's shy.
So this is our first meal here in Singapore. So this is Ajilani restaurant. Another authentic Indian cuisine here in Singapore, located in Benelli Street. So I'm having biryani, mutton biryani, and then mommy is having chicken biryani. The monster is having just fried chicken,
As always.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna dive in na muna and napakabusog. Oh my god guys, sobrang sarap talaga ng authentic Indian cuisine. What's up, mommy? Yummy?
Yeah, super.
You know, ang curry nila guys, oh my god, it's can't beat the original, really.
Ang dami ng serving.
Yeah. So the biryani mutton, it cost 7 Singaporean dollars. So roughly in Philippine peso, that's 280, diba? I think that one is a bit cheaper. So 280 pesos for such serving, sulit na sulit na rin.
I am full na, so we are gonna sleep now, guys. So we'll see you tomorrow at Universal Studios.